Hello, good night. Today I'm going to talk about technology and its effects on environment. The principal question of the people was how to improve humanity and daily life, and the answer was to creations of the internet, computers, airplanes, much more everything. When will bring positive and negative things. I think the negative impacts are when it's done responsibly, when only money and self-benefit matters and not benefit between the environment and man. The second stage, technology and global warming. Most environment problems are global and transboundary issues that require international and corporative solutions. In some countries, the laws are strong and protect about any individual benefit. The global warming and the negative impacts can be stopped by becoming aware, practicing the laws and monitoring the activities of the industries. I think it is impossible to stop technological progress. Must be found solution to their negative impacts of the environment. And the stage number 3, what can be done? We can contribute to improvement of current environment crisis in many ways. First, we must help to create awareness about the care of the environment. Second, support the creation and monitoring of laws, regulation, industrial activities, and the exploitation of natural resources. And the last, from the position that we are as students, engineers from different industries, we must be constant fighters against the negative effects on the environment. Good night. Bye bye.